Want to know how to disable snapping in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application, and once you are there, you should be provided with this interface right here. Now, if snapping is bothering you and if you want to disable it, it's super simple. So, right here and right below, you should be seeing another interface. That should be a small navigation bar. So you can see right beside time signature, you should be seeing something known as snap. So you can also see below snap some time stuffs like bars. So to disable snap, it's super simple. You can just simply uncheck this check button right here, disable snap, and once that is done, your snapping will be disabled. And that's it. Super simple and easy. So if you want to hide this toolbar as well, it's super simple. Just simply head towards view, select timeline, select toolbars, and then select snapping toolbar, and then you can just simply hide it just like this. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.